In this video, we'll learn how to use the Media Library in Brightspace to record your screen and explain your thinking. This is a great way to demonstrate understanding to your teacher. When you submit an assignment, you can upload a file and add an audio or video recording. These recordings can help your teacher better understand your ideas while assessing your submission. For simple assignments, audio or video recordings might be enough, but if you need to explain more complex thinking, you can use the Media Library to record your screen as well. To start, find the Media Library link in the Students Link group on your Brightspace landing page. If you're in your class, click the Home icon at the top left to return to the landing page. Click Add Media, then choose Record Video. Use Change Inputs to check your audio and video settings. Click Share Screen to choose what to share. The entire screen option is easiest and won't miss anything. You can turn your camera on or off with the toggle. Click Start Recording and explain your thinking as you walk through your assignment. You can pause and resume if needed. When you're done, click Finish Recording. Add a name to keep things organized, and click Save and Close. Your saved video will process for a few moments. Once it's processed, you can preview, rename, or download your video explanation. Download a copy so you can submit it with your assignment. To submit, go back to your assignment folder, click Add a File, choose My Computer, and upload your video along with your completed assignment. Click Add, then Submit, and you're done. Your teacher will see both your assignment submission and your video explanation. That's it. Using the Media Library to record your screen is a simple way to show your thinking when submitting assignments.